Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to tell you why it is so important to add rotation into your shoulder training. So, your shoulders are designed to do this. If you never do that, not that specifically, but if you never actually rotate from the shoulder with any kind of exercises, then you're going to overuse certain muscles, underuse other ones, and you're just going to feel tight and stiff in general, okay? So you want to add into your warm-ups, your cool-downs, even in between sets, something like a shoulder dislocate, which is like this. Lock the shoulders down, reach up nice and tall, bring it back round, open up, okay? So whenever I first seen these, I was like, here, my shoulders will snap if I do that. But they shouldn't, okay? It's something you can progressively build on over time, and as well you can start to move the grip in, which makes it a little bit more intense as well, okay? So exercises like that and your warm-ups and cool-downs will make a massive difference to your overall training and your overall shoulder health, okay? So just remember that the shoulder wants to move like that and like this, so it's very important to give it those sort of motions, otherwise you start building a different kind of joint that just doesn't work very well, okay? So make sure you give your joints the things that they want to do, as well as the training that you enjoy, and you will get a lot more from it, and your longevity will be a lot more better, okay? So, a lot more better, does that make sense? A lot more better. You'll be a lot more better!